The writer within draws me to connect those lines in my mind, like constellations. The technology of my mind finds technology built from the ground to 3D print paradise all around. Tools to take us to the Garden of Eden, with our hearts filled with flaming love to protect it. All the voices seeking paradise, the magical story written into life, to be unchained. The writer within the mind, the technology in every human being, waiting to be discovered and unchained. Do you see it? Do you feel it? Do you know that this life is fallen? Do you know that this life is resurrecting? But where do I find that story? How do I begin again in a world of fallen loves? Could I even be loved? The knowledge that moves us forward, the knowledge that holds us back. It's swirling in the air, knowledge contrasting, knowledge dividing, knowledge uniting. So much knowledge, do you even know who you are anymore? Do you know where you're from? Do you even know who you are? All the voices telling you who to be and how to react. The tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Chaotic knowledge. All the voices telling you who to be and how to react. Just a human amidst nature, trying to find the poetry that built reality, the source code of creation. Am I so lofty to seek such a thing?